Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda Renee, and in this video we will be going through my favorite products of 2025. So if you're interested in seeing that video, keep on watching. Now this is something that I do every year on my channel, and this year is no exception. So we'll just be going through my 5 favorite products of 2025. And first off, we will start off with the shampoo. This is the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Sulfate Free Shampoo. What rating will I give this? An 8 out of 10. Probably a 9 out of 10 as well, because it really does help me to detangle in the shower, and it really does live up to its name by it being moisturizing. So I can definitely say that this is a 9 out of 10. A great shampoo, and I got it at a reasonable price point, so that is why it is my favorite shampoo of 2025. Moving on to our conditioner. I don't have a deep conditioner this time around. I just have the Camille Rose Johnson's Moisture Max conditioner with coconut milk and aloe vera. Personally, I wasn't expecting to like this product, but the 3 to 5 minutes, the Moisture Max, this definitely lives up to its name, and I got it at a decent price point as well. A little definitely went a very long way. Although the container is almost finished, I can probably get 2 or 1 more use out of this, depending on how much I use per section. But as I said, a little bit goes a long way, so I think that this can stretch. I think that this can stretch for 2 washes. It also depends on your hair density, aka how thick your hair is. You may need more product, but since I don't have thick hair, I can easily split this into 2 uses, and it will definitely work like a charm. So honestly, definitely lived up to its name by it being a Moisture Max conditioner. And with that being said, I will give this a solid 8 out of 10. Definitely an 8 out of 10. Next, we have the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. I know that many people of color don't really fancy Mielle just because they've been sold to Procter & Gamble. But to be honest, this leave-in conditioner right here has not done me wrong whatsoever. When I tell y'all the slip that this thing has, especially if your hair is wet, oh my goodness, the slip. And talk about the moisture that you will get from this, the slip plus the moisture. I would 1000% stand by this until it does not work for me anymore. This is an all-time fave conditioner, well, leave-in conditioner of mine. Really and truly, I don't think I've used a leave-in similar to this before, so I can safely say that this leave-in conditioner is a solid 10 out of 10 for me. A very high rating because it lives up to its expectations. Pomegranate and honey, those 2 contain moisturizing properties. So really and truly, moisture, not too much moisture to where your hair will feel soft and sappy, but just enough to where you feel comfortable with your hair. The moisture that this product gives, a solid 10 out of 10, definitely. Alrighty, so we move on to the 2 starters that I have. 3 out of 5 products so far. This fourth product that I have here is the Camille Rose Guava Slip Whipped Souffle Styler. I only used this once and I absolutely fell in love with it. I absolutely did. I really did. This is definitely a fave of mine. I love the texture of the product. It is very similar to the Almond Joy Twisting Butter, but this one has a little more cream in its consistency. So I can definitely appreciate that. And the moisture that this gives, the definition that this gives, it's a pity that I didn't take a picture of my braid out results from my video with me trying the product, but honestly I have to do a video where I will show you how well this product works for a braid out or a twist out, because I absolutely loved how defined my hair was, and the definition lasted the rest of the week with very little frizz. Honestly, this is a solid 9 out of 10 for me. Definitely. It's worth the money. It's not inexpensive, but it's also not a very expensive product. So it's definitely worth your money if you decide to pick it up. You will love the moisture and the definition that this gives. Solid 9 out of 10 for this. Last but not least, I have here the B-Girl Crazy Sexy Curl Setting Foam. Now, in a previous favorites video, I would have mentioned the Do Mousse Def. The Do Mousse Def is still a good product. I still have the Do Mousse Def in my collection, and the Do Mousse Def has a place in my heart. It does. But you see this Crazy Sexy Curl Setting Foam? The moisture that your hair would get from this, well, at least in my experience, the moisture that I got from installing twists and leaving them in for the week, even if your hair is in mini twists, you can tell whether a product is moisturizing from how your hair feels at the end of the week. And I kid you not, my hair felt so soft that entire week, and it just felt hydrated. So really and truly, I 1000% love this Crazy Sexy Curl Setting Foam. I also tried it for twist out, and honestly speaking, I love the definition that it gave. It is neck and neck with the Do Mousse Def in my opinion. I'd have to revisit that, but for now, this comes on top just because it gives a little more definition, and it also gives a little more moisture than the Do Mousse Def. So for this product here, I give this a solid 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. So this is the end of this short video, just showing my 5 favorite products of 2025. If you liked this video, leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.